thank you so much for joining me. In today's video, I am updating Colourpop. This was a project I created with the help of Danny for the name. And yeah, we're painting all things Colourpop, just like it sounds. So anything under the Colourpop umbrella, Colourpop, Fourth Ray, Soul, all of it. It's 8 to 10 products, rolling style. You set your own goals. We update monthly on or around the 18th of the month. And we're going until January 17th of 2023. Yeah, I'm ready. I'm excited. It's not too late to join. We're literally just in March. So feel free to join us and just make sure you use the hashtag here or over on the Instagram, and you can tag me over there as well. I have 2 products that are missing and 2 products that are rolling out. So let's start with my missing items. I brought in 2 of the Luxe lip oils, and we've been in a construction zone since last month. In fact, I filmed that video early because we were going to a hotel and they were going to start construction. So we started construction on February the 15th, and today is March the 15th. And they basically almost finished yesterday. So there's a few more things they need to do. The glass guy is coming today to measure. So we are just about done with our bathroom. We're getting wallpaper. I mean, I am so excited. I will share with it. I'm also going to make a full-length video, like a more in-depth video for my At Home with Missy channel, because we've made it wheelchair friendly, blah, 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 blah. But it's pretty. And I'm so excited because it has so much light and a beautiful sparkly countertop to take pictures on. Yeah. Okay, so the lip oils are missing. They're missing in action. Next, the one thing that is rolling out this month is this. This is my lippy stick in Boogie. And the reason why Boogie is leaving this is because Boogie is more a fall winter shade to me. Him's kind of deep, and I know I'm not going to pull for this color. Clearly we're in the month of March, and that means spring, and that means color explosion on my eyeballs. And I'm going to be more inclined to wear a bright lip or a neutral lip, not so much a dark berry cherry lip. But this is going to stay in my lip drawer because that's where I have it. And if I feel inclined, I'll continue to track it. If I don't, I don't. But it'll definitely get finished this year. It's just going to be kind of sporadic use between now and probably September. So yeah. There's one done. I finished the brow pencil and brought in the second brow pencil. So this is another one of those that don't roll up. That pencil lasted me forever. Like it ended today and on my brows. I don't like, this is the Precision brow pencil. I don't know what the other one is called. This is Banger Brunette. I don't love the color, but my biggest issue with this is it's so creamy. It's really hard to do brush strokes. I mean, this eyebrow has like a front and it doesn't have anything else. So I need the ability to add brush strokes, and this just doesn't do it. But again, I have 3 of them. This is number 2. Once I finish this one, I'll start on number 3, and then I can move on to the things I like. So this is staying in. Yeah. What am I doing? I forgot this one. The other rollout is an empty. You ready? Finished my Super Shock Cheek and Flexitarian. I mentioned last month that I was going to get it finished, and I sure did. So there was the tiniest left. I've added it to a highlighter that is currently in my This Is Fantasy project. So it's going to get mixed in with that. But again, it was just a little tiny bit, maybe one more use. And the rest of it is gone under makeup. It's gone on top of makeup. I've gotten lots of good use out of this. This is definitely something that I would repurchase if I already didn't have a million cream highlighters. So once I get done with everything, we'll see how I feel then, or if they come out with any more colors. But yeah, I am so stinking excited to have finished the highlighter. That's a highlighter and a blush, and a cream blush, a liquid blush, a cream highlighter, and a cream bronzer and contour that I've already finished this year. So, and it's only March. Go me. So yeah. Sticking around is Seismic. So Seismic is also a Super Shock Cheek. When I brought this in, it had a little tiny baby pan, but I've expanded it a little bit. I've actually worn this once or twice when I've worn my That's Taupe. If you guys remember those two neutrally looks, one where I'm wearing like the red lip and the other one, I don't even remember what lip, it might have been this lip. I believe I topped those looks with this highlighter because it's definitely a bit more glittery. It's also a bit more taupe. So I think it works beautiful as a topper. My eventual goal is to finish it. I don't know if that will happen this year, but I'm gonna keep working on it. So for Flexitarian, I used that 8 more times since the last update. I'm pretty sure it's more than that. I just didn't mark it correctly. For a total of 20 times. And then Seismic, I used 1 more time for a total of 2. Next we have the eye pencil. Again, I'm not rolling these up, but the last update I've used this 3 times. I've used it 6 more times for a total of 9 times. I've tightlined with it today. Again, I've mentioned, and I don't know if my eye pencil video is going to go up before this one or go up afterward, but you're going to hear me talk about all of the cream gel liners I still have and how much I hate them. So yeah, I do hate them. The formula is fantastic, but it's the component that is awful. But I shouldn't say fantastic. They fall apart. What's fantastic are these. This is what's in my waterline today. These Shockwave liners from LA Girl are really good and really pretty. But that's not what we're talking about today, Misty. Stay on topic. Did I mention the 2 lip oils are missing? I believe I did. Okay, next we have the More is More blush stick. I can't make a new line because I only used this 2 more times since the last update. So for a total of 7 total times, I feel like I've been pulling more cool or neutral on my eye looks. And when I do that, I want a cool or neutral, that was me watching my update. So I haven't been reaching for this as much as I did before, but as I mentioned in the last video, I'm not in a real rush to finish this. So it's really pretty. But again, slow and steady wins the race. This isn't something I want to rush through. I want to enjoy it because I love the formula just that much. And for someone who doesn't love orangey blushes, I sure do love this one. It's just so pretty. I love it so much. It makes me happy. I should try this as a lip. I really should try that as a lip. Okay, moving right along. So that is everything that's staying in and stuff that is left. So let's talk about some newbies. I am going to be bringing in this. This is the Supernova Shadow in Ice Pop. It's a liquid eyeshadow. If you saw my Instagram post, I was like, why do they not still make these? Because they are beautiful. Look at that. It's just so, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. And you can leave it like this to dry, or if you blend it out, it just, oh, it's just so pretty. It's just so pretty. So my goal for this is going to be probably 10 uses. We'll see how I get along with it. I haven't put it on my eyes. I've only swatched it about 5 times since finding it the other day. So yeah, so that's definitely coming in. And again, probably for a usage goal, one more thing coming in for a usage goal is this. This is the Floating Lights Pressed Powder Blush from Colourpop. This is their Disney designer collection. I'm wearing this on my cheeks today. It looks very, very like kind of lavender, but it's actually a really pretty kind of bubblegum pink. And that's exactly what I wanted for this look today. I put it on top of this, cream cheek, and it's just everything I wanted. Living my 80s dream today, y'all. So my goal for that is going to be 10 uses. I may keep it in longer than that. We'll just see. I'm currently working on the Court of Miracles in my bingo. You can see I've gotten some pretty good use out of that too. So yeah, it's really pretty. So we'll see. We'll see. And then last but not least, if you saw all the palettes that don't have any use on them, you know that I have probably, I don't know, 8, 9, 10 Colourpop palettes without use. So I'm going to be bringing in one a month to use it, No Pan Left Behind. So No Pan Left Behind was something I did last year. I didn't create it, but I did the project last year. And it's basically, you take a palette, you use every shade at least one time, and then that's it. That's basically the premise. I was using it as a way to declutter last year, and it was really successful for me for that, because after I used it, so I'll probably get 3 eye looks out of this. But some of my bigger palettes, I was able to get 3, 4, 5, 6 eye looks out of them. And I think by that point, you kind of know whether you're going to like the formula or not. For the most part, I enjoy the Colourpop formula. So we'll see. The only shade I'm not using in this is Hungry Ghost. In fact, I'm probably going to go ahead and declutter this shade. I'd originally pulled this into my Beauty A to Z, but my issue with this is it's a loose glitter and the particles are really, really big. So I like to wear glitters like Vanny or other glitters that have some binder in them. And maybe this one does, but it sure doesn't feel like it. So I'll probably end up decluttering these, but I do plan on using all the other shades one time. And I feel like this is a really good time of year because this is, to me, this is really kind of springy and summery, and I'm clearly in that frame of mind. And I also think it goes well with what I'm currently painting as far as eyeshadows. So yeah, that's it. So we have an eyeliner, we have an eyebrow pencil, we have 2 lip oils wherever they are. We've got a cream blush stick, we've got an eyeshadow palette, we've got a liquid eyeshadow, and we've got a highlighter. So we've got 8 products in this project, and 9 products in this project, I think. Whatever. We've got some products in this project, and I'm excited. I don't know. I know this will have its usage, and I'll be ready to roll that out. That's my goal, is to get these, go through these as much as I can. The rest of it, I don't know. We'll just see. So thank you so much for joining me today. Let me know how you're doing if you're doing this and not on social media. If you are on social media, don't forget to tag me. I'm at Misty Pans over on Instagram, and you can also use the hashtag here or there so I can see your progress. What else do I need to tell you? I think, why do I look like I'm sitting so low? I think it's my chair. My chair's hydraulics said, no, fat girl, no. There we go. That's I'm a little bit taller. Anyway, hi, this is my brain. Welcome to my brain. Welcome to my brain. All right, guys, I love your faces. I hope you'll consider subscribing if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.